Hi Dane, I just thought I might as well send you a quick preliminary video. First thing, being as we just got off the phone now, because I wasn't attending to the fire. Just to give you an idea, what you've got in front of you here is my fire that had kindling. I then put I actually did it a different way today, and it hasn't worked as nicely. But I put basically, I think this is my third, looking in here, yeah, I had 3 logs, so I managed to get 2 in, and then this is my third one that I've laid across. But because I left it for a while, although my temperature was pretty good, I still had the door open, you see, but because I've left it, I've not got it really hot again. So what I would do here, here's my logs. They're this kind of size, and because of where my fire is at, it's not going to be really hot enough at the moment, I don't think, to close the door. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll put 2 more on. Okay, I collected these in from outside this morning. These logs, so they've been seasoned since February. This is blue gum. I'm going to leave it out. I'm going to leave it on the latch. I'm then going to, when those are really going, I'll be at a situation where I can close the door, and I'll come back and I'll film that for you so we can see what happens. Cheers, mate. I'll just leave it running for a little bit longer so you can see how those catch with the door open. My flue, it goes inside this. This is a fake chimney breast. I'll just quickly show you. This is a fake chimney breast, and then it goes up to my ceiling height, which is 2.5, 2.7 meters, through the ceiling void, because I've got a pitched roof, of about another meter plus another meter on top. So I'm just about at the 4.5 meters point. So it's igniting nicely. What I'll do is I will just pause it now so you can see, and then we'll come back once it's going a bit stronger, so that we don't take up too much space. Hi Dane, back again. I paused the camera. I actually stayed here. It was only about, I don't know, a minute. You can see that from the fact that the logs haven't been really even all ignited yet. You've still got uncharred parts of the logs. Okay, so my flue thermometer reads at not even hot yet. Okay, it's just sort of coming up to ideal temperature. That's based on the flue gases. Okay, however, it was hotter earlier because I wasn't watching the fire. So if I just close this, I just tested it a moment ago. Right now, we're okay at the moment. Okay. What I have had before, when it's not been ready, is it'll be okay for a bit, but then it just struggles to keep going. It's almost like a tipping point where it's kind of like a snowball effect, because it's hot inside the chamber. It just like gets hotter as it consumes more, and then you put a fresh log in, and then even though that log isn't ready yet, it just keeps it going, kind of just rolls on and on and on, and to the point where once you've had it running for a couple of hours, even though there's not much, perhaps ash, not much coals left, it will still be able to make a good go of getting the fire going. If I close this off now, which I'll show you, it's too early for me to be closing this down, but basically that is now at the, I don't think you can see that on the camera. Let me just show you. Okay, so here we go. So in one, so that's between there, which is the first button, and down to here is where you run it, you decide. Okay, and you can see immediately. Now if I leave that, it's not established enough, in my opinion, for me just to leave it there. So I will still continue to run it at boost, at full, until those 2 logs have started to break down into coals. Probably when I put the next set of logs on. But with the doors closed and it's going, okay. So let's see how we get on, but we'll speak again.